The new Lumix G7. The one introducing 4K to everyone. Latest 4K processing and mirrorless technology in a compact and intuitive design, providing touch focus technology with the latest high-speed autofocusing, recording video in stunning 4K resolution. And now with the new 4K photo, you can extract, show and save the perfect frame out of a 4K video sequence easily on the camera. Never miss a perfect moment. The new Lumix G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone.
Panasonic.
I started taking landscape photos. I was always in these really cool places, and I've always wanted to share the beauty of it, show people what I saw with my eyes.
Weddings, you have to be a portrait photographer, a landscape photographer, a macro photographer. If you dig deep enough, every wedding does have a little bit of uniqueness to it.
I really want to produce the best for my clients, and I'm so pleased with the new technology that we have within the Lumix systems.
The great big monster lenses that I used to use are gone. We're shooting smaller cameras, smaller lenses, and getting even higher quality than we used to do with our traditional DSLRs.
I'm always trying to seek out a remote place, untouched and uncivilized, so to say. I've been shooting with the 8-18. It's a new lens from Lumix. It's definitely the go-to lens for all landscapes. It's unbelievable how lightweight the camera systems are. I mean, in my bag I've got 2 camera bodies, 8 lenses. Lightweight is very important because every single ounce you carry is, how much further you can go.
I love the 12-60 because it's a great utility lens. You can shoot wide, and even 60, if you use your feet to zoom, you can get almost every shot you need with that lens.
This is so flippin' good.
These cameras now have no low-pass filter, so the sharpness is actually crazy in these cameras.
The 42.5 I think is probably one of my favorites. Oh, you look so elegant. I have been a photographer for over 25 years, so I've gone through those big cumbersome camera systems. To be able to have a stealth camera body, what more can you ask for?
Good job.
I know the experience that the clients had. The photographs are just going to be everything that they could ever dream of.
I'm using the GH5 with a 12 to 60 millimeter and a GH5 with a 100 to 400. It's absolutely unheard of to shoot big, long telephoto lenses handheld on a platform that is constantly moving. So now I almost never use a tripod. The new technology and the Panasonic cameras that I'm using have hit what I feel is the sweet spot, where the sensor size is big enough to give you incredibly impressive large prints, but doing it with less strain on my back, less strain on my wallet.
These cameras are half the weight and half the size of traditional cameras.
It really is a perfect camera for a photographer who's looking to do a job, do it well, and have a lot to offer their clients.
I don't know what I would do with a different camera up here, I mean, nowadays everything's built right into this Lumix camera.